Okay, we got a rooftop, no cooling. Got condensate. Got condensate. Got condensate all over. I don't think that's from rain. Let's do a visual check here. What we got going on? I got no place to put you. No place to put you. On the filters, wrong size filters, and I have to get the right size ones. But I don't think I'm gonna have time to do it today. Jeez, I got nowhere to set you. Nowhere to set you. Oh, you just stay there. Free wrench. Alright. So, condenser coil's crappy dirty. Is this the fan section? I think that's the fan section. Let's kind of peek in there. Let's kind of peek in the fan section. I don't have my GoPro today. So you're on the phone. No, this is not the fan. Not the fan section. That is the compressor section. Looks like she's been going off on low pressure. And where's the fan section? I think it's right here. Smells pretty good. me see how this fan's controlled. 'Cause this one's before they put them on drives. Breezy out here today. Looks like this is where the fan comes in, right here. Not sure, but I've worked on this unit before. Well, I think it was just maintenance I worked on it. Okay. So I know the thermostat's set to. Cooling. Fan on. Let's see. What controls the blower? What controls the blower? I don't know. Status, no Econo available. Well, it is not doing crap. Let me see. Like I said, I got nowhere to put you guys. Let me see if I got a call on G. Okay, I got a call on G. Fan should be running. Fan should be running. So let me get this other panel on. I'm going to turn the power off. It's on a drive. It's on a drive. Right there. Right there. Son of a gun. Shoot, and I don't have a freaking screen. And I guarantee if that has a blown fuse, and I think the fuses are right here, that drive is bad. Let's turn it back on. Hold on a second. Let me try to get into these fuses here. Never seen this fuse holder before. Let me try to get into that. I don't know what fuses are behind here neither, but I'm pretty sure that's the fuse for the drive. So that's what that is. That's the fuse for the drive. I got 2 bad fuses, and I guarantee, I've ran into this before, you go to replace the fuse and it blows all 3 of them. That drive is bad. I've ran into this many times before on rooftops that have got power surges. I don't think the motor's bad. I think the drive's just, that's what I run into, bad drives on these carriers. So let's put some power to it, see if it's got any faults or anything. Power light did not listen to it. Will it do it again? I got 1 leg of power going to it. So, guarantee that drive's bad. I've seen it so many times before with these bigger rooftops, with those ABB drives. And I hate replacing these because you have to actually call carrier to get all the parameters for the unit. You give them model number, serial number, motor number, and they tell you how to program it. There's a screen that snaps in right there. Usually I should have one on the truck, but I got them sitting back at the shop. So, and then you punch in your parameters through the screen, but you have to call carrier to do it. It's kind of ridiculous. I've just ran into this so many times. I just know what it is, just how it's acting. So let me shut some power off. Power is shut off. Let me get it back together, and we'll go from there. Well, I think last time we ordered one of those drives, it was a few weeks out, which sucks because we are end of May and it's already 81 degrees in that room. They call it the Ninja Room. It's a gymnastics place. So I've just ran into this so many times on these rooftops, these carrier rooftops, where that if you got blown fuses on that drive, it's done. It's not the motor, it's the drive. So I mean, I gotta order it. There ain't no way around it. And then I gotta call carrier and program it. So it's like an hour and a half process. It's pain. So I'm off to the next one. You know what you gotta do. Like and subscribe. I appreciate all you guys watching. And I will see you on the next one, which I hope is soon.